if I can sacrifice, if I can lose a small amount of gains, but still enjoy life and make progress consistently, that's a program I'm gonna stick to and not feel like I'm suffering. That's the secret for me. Every time that I have fallen off a diet in the past, it's because I'm missing something. I feel like I'm sacrificing too much. And eventually when I go off, it's so much more enjoyable to just live like a normal person that I procrastinate getting back on my diet or my program. I have never been more excited about any diet that I have done in my life. I'm doing intermittent fasting, and this last week has been one of the most enjoyable weeks on a diet. The first part of my program is tracking. Every calorie that goes in my body, I track it. I use MyFitnessPal. It is a bit of a hassle at first, but it gives you complete control. By making the extra effort to track, you now have more flexibility. So number one, tracking. I'm shooting for high protein. Hitting my macros is a secondary priority to calories. If I stay under my calories, I get my check mark for a successful day of dieting. If I hit my macros, then I get an extra pat on the back. As I get further down this journey, I'm gonna be stricter and stricter on my macros. Part 2 of my plan, and this is the part that I'm the most excited about, is the intermittent fasting. So my eating window works like this. I'm trying to open my window as late as possible, so it's almost like a 1 meal a day plan. When I open my eating window, it stays open until I go to bed, as long as I stay under my calorie target. For this next 30 days, I'm gonna test a theory. My theory is that the time that I eat throughout my day is less important than staying under my target calories. When I was on my old diet, I was on a bodybuilder diet, and I wanted to have maximum energy for optimal performance and to let my body build the most muscle possible. I was eating carbs in the morning to fuel my workouts. I was eating protein right after my workout to give my body the nutrients it needed to build muscle. With this program, I'm throwing all that out the window. And my theory is if you stay under your calorie target and you hit your target macros, that is 95% of the gains that you're gonna get on your diet. This is just my guess. I'm gonna be sacrificing about 5% of additional progress I could be making because I'm not timing my food at the optimal times throughout the day. If I can live like I did this last week, I felt like a normal person. I didn't feel like I was on a diet. I lost 6 pounds last week and I ate everything I wanted. Hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and follow along this journey with me. Thank you for watching. More cool stuff to come.